shit, huh? You don't got no grit. You don't got no motion.
He's saying he could cook, but he ain't cook a damn thing.
The one will become the grand champion and get $75,000 for a favorite charity.
It's beautiful cooking.
All other All-Stars will be chopped.
All right, welcome back to another video, man. It's the regular show. We locked in, clocked in, man. Today we got a little special video for y'all. We got a brother battle today. I got my little brother versus, I don't even look like that.
Lewis
Man,
Brothers
we're gonna get a little cooking battle. We might see who makes the best Kentucky Fried. We gonna see who make the best chicken, man. You gotta have a bev. Come on, you gonna have to have a bev. So we're gonna see who makes the best Kool-Aid, too. I know what y'all thinking, like, some racist, man? Okay, and hey, we black, end of the day, so let's get it, man.
If the shoe fits.
You wanna leave, well go ahead. You wanna bounce, well go ahead. I've been on 10 with no stress. Chasing my dreams till I'm broke dead. I catch a vibe till I doze off. Look at
Hey,
the way
man, look,
that...
we wanna kick it out real right. Look, I already know what these niggas are not gonna do. Watch their hands. Watch.
Y'all say y'all ABCs or y'all watch y'all hands or no? What do y'all do? Y'all just count to 10. A little dirty ass.
Everybody know you black and you cook with the Lowrys. I mean, literally, nigga, that's 4 or 5.
Literally, it's
That's
crazy.
6.
Why didn't you just layer them together like 3-3? 3-3. It's just less work.
You lay on then.
Put this shit in the flour.
Flour.
Yes, bro. So when you doing,
You know how to cook, you and me. Come on. Mom, got a question. So when we make the chicken, you use mustard, right? For it to, the bread and to stick it, right?
don't you use the eggs?
No, it's the mustard, right?
Before you put it in the flour, you use eggs.
No, you use mustard. I swear it's mustard.
Okay. Okay. So with the egg, basically all you gotta do is just put the eggs in a bowl, dip the eggs, and then you put it in the batter, right?
So we don't use no mustard? Flour.
I knew that.
Is that too much oil? Is it gonna overflow?
I don't know. You got mom number 2. I ain't gonna. I can. Oh, you better run some hot water, bro. That's grease.
Your ass stupid, bro. Why am I stupid? That's crazy. I feel like we gotta put mustard on it. I feel
Like mustard could be the dipping sauce. Like you over here doing.
Ooh, this is why I got this nigga on the side of me. At the end of the day.
You ain't got nothing
Not
to
like
really say.
that. Hey,
They started with sodas?
No one put the
They started
camera.
with
No
sodas?
one get out of here.
Y'all cooking your own separate time. Like this is us right
It's
now.
my
Yo,
kitchen. Hey, you know,
yo,
hey,
yo,
stand
yo,
by
yo,
kitchen.
yo,
Kitchen,
yo,
stand by
yo,
kitchen.
yo,
You gonna get spanked. Hey, you was in the kitchen. It's hot. You gonna get spanked. You gonna get spanked. So back up. You gonna get spanked.
And take the heat. You know what I'm saying?
Get out the kitchen. I'm making 6 pieces.
Kool-Aid.
Oh, I'm making.
Alright, so take me step by step.
Oh, yeah.
How you make the perfect Kool-Aid?
First of all, this is water.
Don't play me. I was locked
This
in.
is water right here.
I was yesterday. Niggas talking about this that chicken that was going. Hey, you ever seen your grandpa? You ever seen your grandpa? You gonna bite this chicken and be like, hey, so, man, you gonna. When I was down bad, nigga, I needed a little bread. Had to put in that pain, nigga. Nigga, I mopped the floors. I cooked chicken for 100 niggas. A day. A day. I cooked chicken for 100 niggas a day. You know what? After lunch, nigga, after church, nigga, they went.
Thanksgiving, nigga? What?
Thanksgiving, nigga, I was cooking chicken up. That was full turkey. Buckets, nigga. Can I get a $20 fill up? Nigga, that was me. Nigga, that was me.
See now, boom, right? At this point, all it needs is ice. Say it with me. Ice. You feel me? 'Cause you know. Oh man.
So today we served, man, we served that, you know what I'm saying, that crispy, that nice crispy chicken, man. Extra crispy on one side, and the other side, we wanted to give them some flavor. You know, some options. Maybe it wasn't extra crispy chicken, so we got extra crispy, and then we got the one breaded once, the original flavor, you know what I'm saying, the right way.
Of course we had to make, you know what I'm saying? Cherry, a little duo.
Cherry
right
and
here.
tropical, nigga.
Cherry and tropical, even though the tropical already in the cherry, you know what I'm saying? Cherry already.
I ain't even gonna lie. Let's wrap it up. Very moist. Damn, look, he fucking with it. Look, look at that love, he fucking with it. The marathon continue. Damn, look at that drink. That nigga drank that Kool-Aid like it's, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Cup is still full of me. Like it's a pre-workout drink. Better be like that.
He said, ah. He said, ah. Hey, he said, ah.
You heard that? I heard my heart is burning, but it be like that.
This was really gas. This is like.
I probably put it like top 4 chicken tenders I've had in my life.
That, nigga, top 4, nigga. Nigga eat chicken.
And I said, be honest.
And he eat a lot of
honest opinion though, right?
This one is lacking some seasoning, but the extra crispy, that's what it is.
Hey,
that's what it's at.
all right.
But we gave you options, and that's why we gave you options, though.
That's why we gave you
That's why we
options.
gave you options.
I said,
So,
be
boom.
honest. It's your boy, you feel me, Mac, you feel me? Instagram, it's a Mac thing, you feel me? I know the deal, because everything is a Mac thing.
Boy Cash, you feel me? Ultimate Chef, you feel me? Add me on Insta, Cash Bandicoot. You already know the
Crash Bandicoot, you feel me? Your favorite PS2 game you was growing up. So think you feel me? The chicken was kind of in season, though.
Whoa.
Hey,
He didn't say that.
where's the judge?
He didn't say
The
that.
judge said that, but
He said one of them. One
like
back.
that. I thought you said you wasn't gonna talk. I thought you said you want to say a
Nigga, I'm
shit.
talking now.
You trying to?
Nigga,
He sound like what was that?
I'm supposed to be cooking this whole pack?
Look at him. Look at him,
Okay, you feel me? Being a little minute, you feel me? Since your boy Mac, you feel me? Didn't even been in the kitchen, but it don't leave your blood. It never leaves the blood. So, Mac is on them all, but okay, whatever. So, we're gonna go with pink lemonade and a tropical punch. We're gonna do what about you? Can do that though. You feel me? For the fans, the deal about that. Real trism.
I'm waiting in this kitchen, you feel me? Pan searing my John, you feel me? They trying to do some KFC, stealing the white man.
Kentucky Fried Chicken and shit.
These dudes, you feel me? I'm just gonna pan sear.
The technique is there, but
Stay in your lane.
look, it's all about
My name is Sterling. I'm ghost steering. That's crazy. Put on that
Gotta
side, my
be
boy.
easy with it, you feel
I
me?
got you, my boy. Let me get you
Gotta
a
get the
spoon.
flick of the wrist. Oh God.
First
I
of all,
bet you they didn't do it like that. They was probably just dumping their shit. Actually, they was under seasoned, so they wasn't.
Y'all said.
How many tenders have he ate in his life though?
He only had 4 tenders. He only had 4 tenders. In his life.
Come on now.
These boys are amateurs.
top 3 tenders that I don't want to hear.
That's all playing it takes.
I did this shit with my eyes closed, man. It must have been seasoned good enough to go pop.
Oh! Hey, Cass.
He's choking on it.
Dive in there. Oh yeah, and that's looking right, perfect. And that's looking right.
Niggas better watch out.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all better learn something. Good. You feel me?
Bowl of white rice. They look, I ain't put that
Right
in.
next to it, you feel me? Right next to it.
I know what you think, but the green don't fly.
Listen, y'all serve the man a warm drink. Put them nice and cold, you feel me, for the judges, because we think about the judges first. You feel me? Warm Kool-Aid is crazy, but it be like that though. It ain't prison.
Word. I got one word. Salmonella.
You know what pan sear means? Can't work that can.
Applebee's, ain't it?
They don't know that chef talk is crazy.
You really got in that key, you got it dirty, yeah.
He don't cook.
Because I got females cooking for me, but I know how to cook. It's a difference. You feel me? Why cook yourself? You got people serving you
I
food.
got a question.
Right?
I got a question.
What? He's saying he could cook, but he ain't cook a damn thing. He
Hey,
didn't touch that
hold
chicken.
on, hold on.
He didn't touch that chicken. No chicken.
Hey,
He didn't touch it. Look, he over here talking to us. What he doing? Put the camera on him. He didn't cook.
Can't you do it for me other than hyping you up?
Nigga, I got in. You gonna see the Kool-Aid? You gonna see the clip? You lay on then. I was in there. I was in the kitchen. I was in that kitchen doing something. All right,
Help with his KFC recipe. You need help.
You need help?
Hey, he told you about the special spin on your chicken? It was his shit, huh? You don't got no ingredients. You don't got no motion.
Don't do that.
You feel me? It's your boy Mac again. You feel me? I got busy and down busy with this thing over here, man. Buggy Red. tropical punch, pink lemonade swirl. You feel me? The judge finna go crazy.
I did my little thing, thizzle with the pan-seared. Everybody don't know what pan-seared chicken is.
Which
You feel me?
means they're
It's
not
their
real
first
cookers.
time. You feel me? It's their first time tasting it, so I'm gonna really put them on something. You feel me? Let's get busy.
You drink a little Kool-Aid afterwards. Nice cold.
He shaking it.
What you shaking
He
your
don't
head?
like that. He don't like that.
Bro, you feel me?
He don't like
speak.
fucking not
Let them speak. Let them
That
speak.
shit gotta be dry.
Let them speak. Let them speak.
It gotta be
Let
dry.
them speak. You feel me? This the game.
Man, this shit gas.
He said it's gas, fool. He said it's gas. He said it's gas. You feel me? That's from the first judge.
Chris is fire, but that grill, this is gas.
He said it's gas, boy. He said it's just gas, okay? You feel me? That's cool.
He said
Appreciate
yours
you.
is fire, but this is gas.
He said, but this is gas.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
You feel me? Appreciate you.
It is a bit undercooked a little bit.
A little bit.
Salmonella. What I say?
Hold on. You feel me? Be honest.
This is top 4 pan-seared chicken I've ever had.
Okay.
I don't know what pan-seared means.
Okay.
I don't know what pan-seared means.
Slow
Let's go finish this plate.
Y'all influencing, man.
I will say I'm conflicted. I can't pick a winner.
I feel it.
Honest though.
I feel
Honestly.
it.
But you finished the plate pretty much on ours though.
Surprisingly, y'all could cook the fuck out of some chicken.
Hey, come on, gang.
Some niggas,
Exactly.
I'm a real black man.
Man.
You know what I mean? Alright, man, I'm a little tired. Y'all comment in the comment section what looked better. Who y'all think won? Who taxes was better? Who looked like they was actually putting that in perspective? Like, thank y'all for watching. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that, man. Like it. Stop playing. Like it. I'm trying to get bread cut you.
Catch a vibe till I doze off. Look at the way that I show off. Just give me some time, give me some space, and y'all gonna see how I go off. You wanna leave